Is it time to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Mullen Automotive. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Mullen Automotive as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has faced a loss of 87.39%. This equates to an average loss of -5.83% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 9.17% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 9.17% to 5,531.27%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -99.64%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -100% to -179.04% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and -$0.158. Our latest daily update for Mullen Automotive includes the headline: significant fluctuations in Mullen Automotive stock price on Wednesday, with movement of 37.78% between high and low. The Mullen Automotive stock price decreased by 16.89% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, dropping from 0.240 to 0.199. This marks a consecutive decline over 10 days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 37.78%, ranging from a low of 0.185 to a high of 0.255. Over this 10-day period, the price has fallen consistently, resulting in an overall decline of 81.2%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock price, which can be seen as a positive indicator, as volume should typically align with price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 348 million shares, with a total of 68 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $13.53 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $785 and the lowest was 0.185. Currently, the price is 99.97% or $784.80 below the 52-week high, and 100% or $45,180,916.80 below the all-time high recorded on the 5th of August, 2020, when the price reached $45,180,917. Mullen Automotive, trading under the symbol MULN, is currently facing a difficult situation as multiple class action lawsuits are pending. As of March 26, 2025, legal firms are actively reminding investors of their rights to participate in these lawsuits, particularly for those who incurred losses exceeding $75,000 between February 3, 2023 and March 13, 2024. The upcoming lead plaintiff deadline on April 14, 2025 is crucial, as it could determine the course of any legal proceedings and influence investor sentiment. On a more positive note, Mullen recently reported record generally accepted accounting principles quarterly revenue of $3,180,000 for the second fiscal quarter, marking a remarkable 189% increase compared to the entire previous fiscal year. This growth may enhance confidence among investors who are seeking signs of operational success despite the legal challenges. In the short term, the impending lawsuits may induce volatility in the stock price, as investors respond to legal developments and their potential implications for the company's financial health. However, the encouraging revenue figures might provide a buffer against drastic declines, potentially attracting new investors who are willing to overlook legal obstacles. Overall, while Mullen Automotive is under immediate pressure from class action notices, its revenue growth offers a glimmer of hope for long-term viability. Nevertheless, the market's reaction in the coming weeks will largely depend on the evolving legal landscape and the company's ability to sustain strong sales performance amidst these challenges. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of November, 2022, it was reported that Citigroup assigned MULN a reduce rating along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Mullen Automotive stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Mullen Automotive. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Mullen Automotive stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average sits above the short-term one. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of $0.312 and $1.72. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and thus far, the stock has dropped nearly 98%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 27 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 24 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average reflects a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages now shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Mullen Automotive. Mullen Automotive finds support from accumulated volume at 0.197, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is known for significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0699 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 37.78%. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 66.42%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Mullen Automotive, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest that a company is struggling to generate profits and may face bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on May 12, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Mullen Automotive. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Mullen Automotive is at 0.221. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Mullen Automotive faces its first support level at 0.197. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Mullen Automotive from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Winter Mary conducted an insider buy of 62,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of March, 2025, Winter Mary conducted an insider sell of 62,000 shares of common stock. On the 4th of March, 2025, Mitchery David conducted an insider sell of 20,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of February, 2025, Winter Mary conducted an insider sell of 2,716 shares of common stock. On the 20th of October, 2023, Anderson John Kevin conducted an insider sell of 287,437 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 74.660. Overall, insiders purchased 199,372,240 shares and sold 65,188,228 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Mullen Automotive stock a good buy? The stock of Mullen Automotive presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent upward trend, we anticipate that Mullen Automotive will exhibit weak performance over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Following an analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of March, we predict that Mullen Automotive will open higher by approximately 1 cent and begin trading at around 21 cents. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not hinge solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.